I got 2 tomatoes. This one's about to split. I'm glad I pulled it. Oh, look at that. I'm so excited. They came off of this tree right here, or plant. Got another one coming in. This one's not a big producer. I'm only gonna get 4 tomatoes from it, but I'm super thankful anyway. This one is gonna have 2 eggplant on it. I'm excited about that. This one only has 1 banana pepper growing. Just one right there. Nothing is happening in this bed right here, probably because somebody pooped in it. I don't know who did it. I don't know if it was a raccoon or a skunk, because we have raccoons and skunks around here, but somebody pooped in there. I had to clean it out, and it might have affected what's supposed to be growing in there, so we'll see. Hi, puppy. Hi. Hi.
Surprised he's not barking at you. He's afraid of people.
Aw, you're so cute.
He must have a very calmness about you.
Yeah, thank you.
Usually people see him, they get all riled up.
Oh, really? Aw. So then I have this bed right here, and my little cilantro is coming in right there. And I have, these are peppers. That is bok choy that's getting eaten, but I'm about to pull that for a salad anyway. And my pride and joy, my potatoes. I don't know, man. I can't wait. I don't know if you can, oh yeah, there's one right there. There's a flower. There's lots of flowers from the other angle. But once they flower and those flowers die off, then you have potatoes. I can't wait for that video. So over here, we have another tomato plant. We have 3 tomatoes coming in right there. I'm gonna eat those today. And then on this side, we have 1. We have this one. So we have 3, and then 4, 5, 6. Ooh, there's 2 little bugs right there. Y'all see those 2 little bugs? So 6, and then 7, 8. We're gonna get 8 tomatoes from this. Oh, 8, yeah, 9. 9 tomatoes are coming out on this plant. So, you know, not a whole lot, but it's a container variety. You know, I'm sure being in a container is stifling its production, but I don't know. You know, you work with what you have right now. So that's what I'm working with. This is what I got. This is what I'm working with. And I just ordered this bed because it's been neglected. So that's why everything's all laid down, because I've been neglecting that lettuce bed. But a lot of the stuff I can start using now, like just those greens. And I have this poor dying plant on the ground here. This is my mom's. I gave it to her for Mother's Day. And shortly after, she came home on hospice, and that poor plant sat outside at my parents' house, exposed to the elements, and it's dying. So I'm gonna try and see if I can fix it and if I can bring it back. We'll see if I can do that. Then of course I have this plant here that's, it's not a fruit plant or a food plant. It's just a plant that's been in my house. It doesn't like living with me, so it does whatever. Ooh, I accidentally cut the video off. So yeah, I'm on the other side of my garden now, watching where I step, because sometimes dogs poop in my grass, hence the sign. So yeah, this is what everything looks like. Isn't it pretty? Makes me so happy. And then over here I have this other pepper plant. It has lots of flowers on it, so hopefully we start getting some peppers. And then look at my other sign. It's so funny. Take your shit elsewhere, because people are so disrespectful. Just letting their dogs poop in the grass and not cleaning it up. So yeah, this is what we got going. Isn't it so luscious? Look at those potatoes. Those are the flowers on the potatoes. And again, once those like die off, then I'll have potatoes. All right, you guys, just wanted to share because I'm so excited about all of it. And even if I don't get a lot of fruits and stuff this year, I'm just excited that I was able to try it in containers and see that I can do it and know that I can do it, and just to get an idea of what it's going to be like when I have that land to like really do stuff on next year and have my own homestead. Right now it's just like a little urban homestead. You hear that wind? You see that wind? It's my little urban homestead and I'm excited about it. All right, you guys, have a good day.